Hello, in this video we're going to show you how to bulk edit your Shopify product handles. We'll be using an app called Altera to do this, which is an import-export tool for Shopify that's compatible with Matrixify. And when doing this, we will also be creating URL redirects automatically so that you won't lose any SEO links with your changes. The first thing we need to do is export the products that we want to edit. In this case, we'll just choose several from the admin and we'll go to these three dots and we'll export the selection with Altera. This will open up Altera and give us an export configuration page. At this point, we don't need most of these columns, but we'll go over here to the general column group. And what we need is the ID to identify the product as well as the handle. It might be helpful also to include the title just so you have a little bit more reference. And then we can save that, and everything else, the default should be fine, so we can start the export. That should just take a second, and then we'll download the output file, and here we'll see the product data. We have our handle, our title for the different products. What we need to do now is update the handle column. You can do this differently either with an AI tool or manually, but just for this example we will use an Excel formula, and we'll just add the words -new to the end of these. So we go there and we fill this down. So now we have a spreadsheet that has an ID column and our new handles. So we can save this file, then we'll go back over to Altera, and now we'll do an import. So we'll upload the file, choose our import file, and the app will detect that we have the handle and the title and that this is the product's type. We can ignore the warning about the unnamed column, and that's just the extra column that we added for our Excel formula. One thing to call out on this page is this create redirects if handles change option. If we select this, which is enabled by default, the app will also create redirects so we don't lose any SEO links. Once this all looks good, we'll start import. That will run, and we will see our results down here after just a second. So we see the new handles are gift card new and so forth. If we go back here to the products and we were to look at one of these, scrolling down, we'll now see that the handle has been changed. Also, if we go to our URL redirects, which is over here, now we'll see that we have all the redirects. So if anyone still goes to the old URL, they'll be redirected automatically to the new one. That's all there is to it. This is how you can quickly export your product data, update the handles, and re-import it into Shopify using Altera. If you have any questions, reach out to us, and you can find us on the Shopify App Store. Thanks for watching.